Welcome to a special Two Buoys episode.
Hoosier edition.
You gotta tell us where we are.
Today ourselves at Salamonie Reservoir.
Who thought Indiana would have all this to offer? I wonder how deep it is. This is super cool. Oh man, I've never been here. Obviously, it's my first time here, but what a cool place. Bunch of logs you gotta watch out for. Keep going. All right, so not the best place to be. I mean, beautiful and very enchanting, but there's logs, and I mean, thankfully we're island, so I just love tap one of those logs. But yeah, we gotta get out of here if we want to go fast, because it's kind of a tricky place. Like that one's pretty hard to hit. You know, it's pretty obvious, but there are some that are like that, not sticking out, but under the water. We're here. Redneck Yacht Club 2015. Shout out Sea-Doos. Shout out Must Be the House Boaters 03 Stirred Paul Drew 2015. Shout out Boat Something, can't read it. STV Rules, RNB, JN something. Shout out Houseboat Road 2003 2015. Shout out to Sun Tracker over there. Shout out, we got Ryan and Sarah's over there. Shout out. It says keep right, so we're gonna keep right. The House 97. Wow, 97. That's older than some of my friends. Not older than me though, sadly. All right. Shout out to all the one. It's so hard over there, I can't read it. But shout out to everyone that left their mark. You shouldn't have done it. That's vandalism. But it's okay. I get it. I've been 16 too. So, all right. I guess we can go fast again. Here we go. You wanna go up the way there? How much gas you got? 3 bars? 3 bars? Same. We have found ourselves in a, yeah, look, there are so many of these trunks sticking out. Thankfully, we haven't really hit one. But we need to get out of here. We came in here way too confident after those trees, and we really shouldn't have, because there's stumps growing out everywhere, and so it's like a minefield now. So now we're going slow, obviously trying to look out for them, but yeah, gotta be careful. Get out of here so we can go fast again.
I don't feel anything caught in there.
What about in the, I gotta put my hand in there.
I feel like the jet thing. It's like a turbine.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Nothing. I don't know, maybe try starting it, see what happens. Do we have a rope with us?
Mm-hmm. Rocks.
Yeah. What do you do about that?
Well, this is one way to do it. Well, this is the not so fun part. I got some rocks stuck in the impeller. We decided to shut off and tow the one that got the rocks back. And then we flipped it just to see if we could get those rocks out through the grate. But now it got some water in the compartment, and look how low it's sitting compared to this one, just because there's some water in there. So we got to take that out as soon as possible and see if we can. I mean, we're not riding anymore today, but see if we can at least see the rocks, either buy the piece or get the rocks out. We'll see.
Is this, which I think I'll be able to get out, but that's the only bad part so far. It's all metric, man. That's a 9/16, so.
Well.
So I took.
You got them out. Where are the rocks?
Yeah, I took right there. I took this off. I forget what you call that. Is that the Venturi?
That's it. Thanks to Keith. Look at this. It is exactly 1 day after that jet ski sucked up some rocks. Thankfully, Keith could take some time during his day and was able to dismantle the pump and get the rocks out of there. So thankfully that was a quick fix, and we're up and running. So now we've come to this place. First time here. I don't know what this is called, to be honest. If I find out, I'll put it in the video. But now we're over here. We're gonna really test them out. We did plug the hose to them and ran the engine, and everything seemed right. Propeller was spinning freely, no weird sounds. But this is the real litmus test, so wish us luck.
Hit that, going that way. Alright.
I'm just so scared of running into something. I've been literally following your trail. I was like, if he's not running into anything, I shouldn't run into anything. But yeah, I'll follow you. What do you think all these signs that say boat keep out mean?
I think it means it's not late.
All of a sudden, it is storming. Oh, he wants to do it again. You're getting rained on, son. That's like in another hour and a half. I can't see! I can't see! It's raining so hard, it's hitting our eyes, and the sunglasses are too dark, so I can't see. It is hailing. Oh, wow. We are in the midst of this. Oh, this is crazy, Keith. What are we doing here? Why did we shut the weather report? Ah! Oh my God. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. And it's thundering, and I'm sure there's lightning. We can get the hell out of here. But we can't see where we're going. Oh man, this is not where I want to be right now. The rain doesn't bother me at all, but the thunder means there's lightning somewhere. Oh, this feels pretty epic though. I don't know if it's hail or if it just feels like hail, but wow. Alright, we're slowly making our way back. We changed the stickers, so he's saying the stickers look clean. Put new stickers on them. Yeah, we're making our way back, but I gotta have one hand over my eyes because that juice is doing. It's not. It's falling. The rain hitting your eyes. It just hurts. I'm bleeding. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We dodged the bullet there. I said we dodged the bullet there. Yeah, it feels just like before. Thanks for doing all that work. Woo! I'm just so happy the jet ski runs good again. It's almost cleared up.